Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speakers Legacy Club. Today we have Sunita with us, and she is my client, a very powerful lady. She is a serial entrepreneur, I would say. She is owning multiple businesses. She is into oil business and she is into mutual funds. She's having around 18 years of experience in trading
Wow.
also.
Yeah.
So that is about her. Welcome, Sunita, to the session. Today we are
Thank you,
here.
ma'am.
She is going to share her experience. So, when Sunita came to me, she was a bit hesitant, although she never had the problem with English language because she is an English honors by background. But she was a bit hesitant, maybe somewhere low in confidence, and she used to say that, "Ma'am, I cannot speak more on a particular topic because I don't have words." We just had few sessions and then I taught her few strategies, how to speak, how to give the examples and all. So I still remember the first session she was a little nervous and she spoke for just 4 minutes on a given topic, impromptu practice. And I think after the very next session or after two sessions only, she was able to speak more than 30 minutes. Right. So I want to ask to you, Sunita, like what changed in that few weeks or maybe 1 month, like what was that block in your mind and how you were able to speak?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, ma'am, to speak about this Speak Out Club also because I have joined this club. I should say that when I've joined this course, which you have truthfully mentioned that I was very hesitant in the beginning. And I used to tell ma'am, ki, ma'am, I cannot speak only, I don't have words, though I'm English honor students, but I don't know, I'm lacking in so many words. But how, I don't know, after joining her course, there was a quantum leap in my improvement, I should say. Before, I used to be very hesitant and nervous while speaking in a small group also, on any topic. I used to think there was something, my thoughts were backheld before, and I was always not eager to come forward and talk. So ma'am told, no, you have that capability. She have given that confidence to me. No, you can speak well. And she have given us so many exercise also to do in our to do in this platform. Her platform is a ready platform, in fact, for any learners. And she used to give us so much of homework, and we used to do, and we improved a lot. From a nervous speaker, I became a natural speaker. Like before, I used to be very hesitant. The words were flowing like anything without learning only, because it means that after joining the course, I found myself within. Like I have that capability. She have given me that confidence. She had confidence on me. So this all about your journey, ma'am. And also, ma'am, it's you have given the opportunity for a personal evolution also. Like by learning this course, I got so much of personal evolution which I am feeling. And because when I talk to my group and friends also, they say, Sunita, now you are speaking so well, you are not feared. So it's all because of you and because of this platform, Speak Out Club, ma'am. That is the
Great, great, thank you
thing.
so much, that
Yeah.
means a lot, Sunita.
Mhm.
And
And ma'am,
yes,
before I
so
used to feel
yes.
very nervous of being judged by the people, which now I am not feeling. This is a great change came in me. Let it be whatever people are saying. It's okay. Let me speak out. So fear of being judged have totally gone out by joining this course.
Very
That
good. So two things we could see from whatever she shared, guys. Your results will always be equal to the efforts you put in. Okay. I made her practice a lot and she can see a difference. Second thing is, gradually it will be noticed by the people around you. They will start saying you, right? That, okay, you're speaking so confidently. Okay, you are looking different than before, right? So when you work on yourself a lot, people will notice you. Right.
yes,
Yeah. So the second question is, as you already mentioned a lot, like before I was like this, and now I have opened up. My mind has opened up. Any few examples you would like to share, wherein earlier you never had that guts to open your mouth or maybe speak in front of people, only thinking that they might judge me. But now you're different, and where you have actually opened up and spoke in front of people, or maybe in a crowd of 10 to 15 people. Like,
yes, ma'am, definitely. Because when I was going So, ma'am, but I want to express like till now I need to improve a lot because I have just joined 1 month only. But you have taught us a lot. But I can say like before when I used to be in a group, like somebody used to tell me to give a vote of thanks or anything, I used to held back. No, I don't know how I'll speak. But now when I even for a simple introduction of myself, I used to get very feared. Okay, I don't know how will be my pronunciation, how will be my vocabulary. But when one instance I can say that I went to Baku and Georgia, and there's a whole group people in the bus were giving introduction. Before I used to get scared by that small thing also, but I've gone so many tours, I've taken so many tours, but I've never encouraged myself to go for the introduction. I used to tell to my husband, no, you go and give the introduction. But no, this time I took the initiative, and whatever my husband have given, I told it boldly on the mic in the whole of the bus. You know, I want to extend the introduction of my children, of myself, what my husband has given. Uh, Forget about the introduction. I can contradict the introduction. That guts is coming within me. More words are coming with me. So it's all about your platform, ma'am, and all about the conviction what you have put on me, the confidence, the clarity you have given us, the uh, confidence is enough from your side, ma'am. That is the whole thing I can say about myself. It's a great shift, ma'am. It's a shift from background, the background to the spotlight, I can say, ma'am. But I feel as if in I am
Wow.
spotlight, like from the background without a spotlight, ma'am. So that's confidence we are getting from your platform, and that I'm saying from the core of my heart. Yeah, this communication skill is a big growth, and one should always go, though without the question I'm answering you. I don't know what question you will be asking, but it is coming from my heart. Look, one each and every person should go for this growth skill, and we understand our voice, ma'am, when we speak, which is not recognized by us before. That is the thing I got
So sweet.
from
That's
your
a very
platform. Yeah,
Thank you so much. So that's a very good analogy you said, dark background to spotlight,
yeah,
right?
yes, ma'am.
And
And I
many
mean
people,
it, ma'am. And I mean it, what I'm saying. It's not the
yes,
word, it's just from the core of my heart. I feel like speaking about you, about your platform, about yourself. Even you work hard in the same way what we are doing. What homework we are giving, it's okay. In the same quantum, we have to work hard. But you're also putting too much of hard work in our life, one-to-one session and all that. It's a great shift in our life. Thank you so much for that.
great. So next is what do you like the most about Speak Out Club platform? Yes, so basically you might have attended other few other courses as well, right? So what is the difference? And maybe it may be about the system, about the program, or about me. So what is that which is different and which you like about this program?
Ma'am, about your program, it is that your program and your syllabus, it's not about a study or syllabus or like that, but it is very structured. Let me tell you, yeah, everything is very structured, like from DB, EB, and podcast listening. Like the explanation about the EB and DB, when you have given me, I just asked you, ma'am, what is this EB, DB, and why it is needed in public speaking. So you explained me so nicely about 200 EB and DB you have given, which I've though it was inside me, but I never realized it is without inside me. I am totally scared by the DV ki, ma'am, I cannot do this or that, but you told me no, you will have to find out what is your DV, and you have to give me with examples. When I have done this homework from your side with example, disempowerment belief is converting into an empowerment belief. Like before I used to glossophobia, what we say, fear of public speaking, which I had before. But after doing the homework of DV and EV, disempowerment to empowerment, I've changed a lot. There was a lot. There was a great mindset shift in me. And no, I can speak out. So every fear is coming out of me, ma'am, while doing your course, by joining your platform, by joining you. And thank you so much for that, ma'am. ma'am. That is the greatest safety. Your structure in course is very good, ma'am. That is, we can do side by side with your people who are working also, and those who are not working. Both can go for your platform. It's nothing like that. Some pressure is external. Like people are getting fear. No, no, I shall join the course, so I cannot do. I have so much of work. But you're balancing both the things so nicely, and you're flexible in your approach also, ma'am. You adjust every time and every structure of your study, for which again I am very thankful. Like your flexibility gives us a great range to study and not get discouraged. We are not getting very confined. No, ma'am, ka homework we have to do it. It's not like that. So your course flexibility is also a great boon to us, ma'am. That I want to say.
Great. So, flexibility is one best thing which you liked, and
Yeah.
also you mentioned that
Structure of your course, ma'am.
EBDB, the structure,
Yeah.
right? So,
Podcast
do you
also,
think
ma'am. Podcast is
you
also
told
a
that?
great. Yeah.
I'm sorry,
Sorry, podcast as a
podcast
homework what
summary
you are giving.
podcast.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we are learning a lot, and moreover, ma'am, inner skill is getting developed. Apart from the speaking publicly, inner skill is getting developed. We are getting much more growth than what we are as a public speaker. Every leader is speaking, every extrovert person is speaking. They are the speakers, but you are giving new skills by your platform.
Yes,
That
your
is,
mind opens up when you listen to leaders, great leaders who
yeah,
have done a lot, who had much
yeah,
more exposure than us.
yes,
Great. So you told about EBDB. Like I remember that time. How you asked me that, ma'am, what's the use of EBDB
yeah,
in
and
public
it is
speaking?
needed. Yeah.
So, do you think that breaking your DBs has helped you a lot in finding your voice, or maybe getting rid of glossophobia? So see,
Yes,
all the people, maximum 99% of the people who come here have the same problem.
yes,
They
ma'am.
don't recognize their own voice. They do not believe that I have a voice. I can speak in front of people, right? They just don't value themselves, basically,
Yeah,
value their
yeah.
own voice. So, do you think that DBEB, this tool has helped you to actually realize or open your eyes, open your mind on this, that, okay, fear is nothing, I'm just assuming it. It's just a block in my mind. So,
Yes, ma'am,
do you think that?
definitely. Yeah, yeah, definitely, ma'am. I'll give you the example also. EV and DV have given me the ikigai of my life, let me tell you. Because that after finding EV and DV, I found the ikigai of my life. Like, no, I can speak well, I can do like other leaders also. So it's a great boon, like what your course have given me. Like till this age, I didn't know only what is ikigai, but the ikigai given by your course EV and DV and this empowerment was a great boon to me, man. So it is giving, and like I should say, like even I want to mention, like this communication skill what is given by you and what we are learning. Once even Warren Buffett told, even you are saying in the class, ki develop your communication skill, like you become 50% more worth than what skill you are having if you are learning the communication skill. So you always say that you should hone your skill, your communication skill. So we are a way forward to that. We are honing our skill through you, communication skill, through this platform and through you, man, and through your homework, through your hard working, everything we are giving. And it's so nice of you, man. It's so nice of
Great. So the last question for today is, would you recommend this program to somebody who's like you, who's an entrepreneur, or maybe somebody who's a working professional? See, nowadays, as you mentioned right now, that communication skills or public speaking, whatever you name it, but it has become a life skill. Unless you're able
you.
to
Yeah.
express your thoughts, your message to people, so it's useless. No, all other skills
Yes.
will be
Yes.
useless,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Certificates will be like that. Your experience will be like that. So, would you recommend this program to people?
Without a doubt, yes, ma'am. I should say, and I should recommend public speaking. It's not just for the external speaking, it's the internal connection also. I should say that through public speaking, we come to the internal connection of the people because we speak with clarity, confidence, and through communication skill, we gain leadership qualities. Also, we are skilled and more self esteem, and we talk in front of the people. So I think each and every people, whatever background they are having, they should always go through the public speaking. They should understand their voice, their inner voice, what they want to convey to the other people. So I should say that especially they should join Speak Out Club, because I've joined one, two more classes before this club, ma'am, but they were very monotonous in their style, like they were teaching drama, this and that, and body language. So I thought, no, body language comes from the confidence. Once the way
Inner
you are teaching
confidence,
us in
yes.
a confidence, because before starting any course, they used to tell me like you stand this way, that way. I don't know, then this is not the right cup of tea for me. So I left that course. I came here just because I thought, and even you told that the communication skill can give you the more confidence in a natural way only. You don't have to learn that. So I will tell each and every person to join this communication school skill for their growth and for their leadership, for their self-esteem, and to get interconnected with the people. Like when you talk, when we are not talking, we are not getting connected with the people also. So this communication skill teaches to connect with the people, and you will expand far more away what you think of it. So this I should recommend every people to join this Speak Out Club specifically, to my friends
Thank you
and to
so
my
much.
every person.
Thank you so much, Sunita, for that beautiful expression of your experience.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I want to give my deep gratitude to you, ma'am. The way you are teaching in your platform, with you're giving your skill, wisdom, and knowledge, and with your hardworking and aspiring knowledge. So, my deep gratitude to you, ma'am. And this, I should not forget that. And I really give you thanks from my core and bottom of my heart, and a very deep gratitude, ma'am, to you for
Thank you.
these
Thank you.
courses
My
and for
pleasure,
this
Sunita.
platform you're bringing out. And this platform is a great platform, and you have expanded your platform in a huge way also, what I know, because you told you started from a very small club, now it is growing like anything. So my deep gratitude to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Sunita.
much.
It's my pleasure. I also,
Okay.
feel very much blessed to have clients like you,
Yeah.
because our relationship is beyond a mentor and a client,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like
Ma'am,
it
that
has
is
now.
communication skill. That is
Yes,
communication skill.
yes.
That I want to prove, because in I'm interrupting in between, because from communication skill only we are going internally. We share each other. We know each other. So one everybody should go for the communication skill.